at the oath-taking ceremony of a newly elected block pramukh in Moradabad in Uttar Pradesh. The SP leaders were seen carrying guns, rifles, also ammunition. A block member was also thrashed at the event. This despite the police presence at the event. Pranshu reporting on that story. Pranshu, it doesn't come as a surprise anymore, but the point is that the government obviously doesn't get the lesson. They do not rein in such people at all.
Well, see, this entire footage from Moradabad comes at a time when the Chief Minister in Lucknow was addressing the senior bureaucrats and saying that if the government fails, the officers would be held responsible. But it clearly seems that more than the bureaucratic apathy, it's the Samajwadi Party's own conduct in public which will probably be against the party in the coming elections. Again, in Moradabad, we see that despite all those bans on open display of firearms, here in an oath-taking ceremony, which is a political function, people just are eager to display the firearms. In fact, on the very main dais, the firearms, the cartridges, the revolvers were kept in an open display. And apart from that, several others were seen openly brandishing their firearms, including the revolvers, pistols, and rifles. And not only this, even one of the block members who was supposedly against the newly elected block, who is of course a leader there, he was also crashed, and all this happened in police presence. So clearly, the logic can be that they were all licensed firearms, but the open display of firearms in this brazen manner clearly leaves a lot of question that whether politics in UP is governed by them.
Oh yes, and all this, Pranshu, in the presence of the policemen who did nothing, they just stood there as spectators. Let's quickly listen in to a corporator reaction.
मेरा नाम मोहम्मद आसिफ है, ग्राम सरकड़ा खास से बीडीसी मेंबर हूँ, वार्ड 18 से, और आज शपथ समारोह था।
कहाँ पर था शपथ समारोह?
विकासखंड मूडा पांडे में जी, मूडा पांडे ब्लॉक में, और वहाँ पे कल्याण, हाजी रिजवान और सुलेमान रिजवान और अन्य गुंडे, बहुत सारे अवैध हथियार, खुले हथियारों के साथ आए थे, और उन्होंने थोड़ी सी भी बिना कहे सुनी पे मारपीट और जबरदस्ती मारपीट की, गुंडागर्दी की।
अच्छा, हाजी रिजवान कौन है? जो
क्षेत्रीय विधायक।